Soya sauce and pepper are added to chicken drumsticks and marinated. These are then added to a hot wok over sautéed shallots and garlic, and it's cooked in sesame oil. Red chilies are added and cooked. The marinade is also added together with some chicken stock. More pepper and chicken stock are added through the process, and the drumsticks are rotated till they're cooked. I have 10 to 11 chicken drumsticks here, and this is about 800 grams. Usually I take the skin off my drumsticks, but for this recipe I've left it on. I have, however, made large slits in the chicken right up to the bone. This will help the marinade get in deep and also ensure that the chicken is cooked. To marinate this, I'm going to add in half a cup of light soya sauce. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper and leave this aside for about an hour. Once my wok is hot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil mixed with regular oil. I'm also going to add 1 cup of sliced shallots, and I'm going to saute this. Add in a 1/4 cup of crushed garlic. Now I'm going to add the drumsticks in, and I'm going to add in 15 dried red chilies. These are the regular dried chilies you get in most Asian stores. Add another tablespoon of the mixed sesame and regular oil. Add the remaining marinade, and I'm now going to cook this chicken for about 25 to 30 minutes, turning the drumsticks around and adding in half a cup of chicken stock, a little bit at a time. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper in between. At the end, add another 10 chilies. I chose to finish cooking the drumsticks in my wok, but you can also transfer this to the oven to finish cooking. These drumsticks are full of flavor and so easy to make. Enjoy.